Higgsfield.ai has changed everything about video creation, about image creation. In past, they have launched so many amazing tools that can change the whole way of you used to create content. Higgsfield AI is continuously bringing so much amazing features, so much amazing stuff that can completely change the world of AI. And now they are going to introduce Cinema Studio. No, wait. Cinema Studio 2.0 is already here, and this is going to change the AI filmmaking industry. It is going to enhance AI filmmaking. Not only that, it is going to take AI filmmaking to the next level with this amazing AI video generative tool that is Cinema Studio 2.0, and this is available on Higgsfield.ai. Now it's time to get into this video, see what Cinema Studio 2.0 is, what it can do, what are its capabilities, and more. So let's get jump into this video. Okay, so I am on Higgsfield.ai website. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff that different content creators have created. And over here, here's the Cinema Studio 2.0, and it is live. And this is how the UI of Cinema Studio 2.0 looks like. Okay, so before getting into Cinema Studio 2.0, here is a small introduction. True optical simulation, virtual camera rack, character lock. You can basically lock different characters for different scenes, infinite depth of field, 3D scene access, and start and end frame control. So there's a lot about this. I will have talked about everything in detail. Definitely there are a lot of camera stuff over here, a lot of control over image generation and also on the video generation. Link to this whole website is given in the description. Also, there is a blog if you want to read that blog. Again, links are given in the description. Now get back to the Cinema Studio 2.0. Although there are two different image things, there is one image generation and then there is a video generation. First of all, we will get into the image generation and we will see the capabilities of Cinema Studio 2.0 image generation. Now over here, you can describe your scene, you can add characters and props. Now over here, there's a modular 8K digital. When you tap on this, well, there is a lot of stuff going on over here. Yes, it gives you ability to change the camera, to change the lens, to change the focal length and aperture. Now, this is amazing. This is next level image generation through Cinema Studio 2.0. Links are given in the description. Now you can choose different sort of cameras, multiple options available as you can see. You can also go and choose different sort of lens, definitely depending on what sort of scene you want to create, and that depends on the camera, that depends on lens, that depends on focal length also, and also you have ability to change the aperture. This is great. Now over here you can see the aspect ratio option, multiple options available. You can go for the cinematic modes too, and then there is the resolution option, 1K, 2K, 4K. Amazing. Then there's a grid option. You can go for and create multiple things together and again add characters and more stuff. There is definitely, I will be talking about the video in a bit, but if I show you something that I have already created, like if you look at these images over here, this is like a old man with a different camera, with different aperture, with different everything. Then this is a grid. Like I created this with a single click. So many images through this grid option available over here, which is insane. Now over here, there's another old man, but this time the aperture and focal length is way different than again an old man with a very different focal length again. This is happening through Cinema Studio 2.0, which is amazing. Now, if you see this image, it is giving 70s touch because I do have option available over here with that camera. That I can go with the 70s Cinema Prime, and this is next level. If I get into the video for a bit and share what are the capabilities of video, man, this is going to change making forever, and I'm not kidding this time. In video, you can do a lot of stuff. First of all, you have director panel over here, which means you can add multiple characters, like you can upload image or add character and prop here. That is completely your choice. And you have options of adding 3 characters at a time. This is insane. Now over here, there's an option of movement. What you can do is basically it is your camera movement, and how you want to generate, how you want your scene to look like. Now, for example, there is a static one that is just a static. There is a handheld, that there is a zoom out, so the camera is going away. There is zoom in, the camera is going in, camera follows. Lot of options available. So if you're worrying about how you customize your scene, you can do everything with over here. You also like orbit around option available. Tons of camera movements available over here. Now over here, this is this whatever you are seeing over here is actually how you can control the speed of your scene. Over here, there are multiple options available like linear, slow-mo, speed up, impact, and auto. You can choose whatever you want, and you can also make it completely customizable according to your choice. Now over here, there's a duration option available. You can go up to 12 seconds, whatever you scene want. And then there is a single shot. You can go multi-shot auto, and you can also do multi-shot manual. So you have every selected scene over here with the same characters, which is amazing. Basically, Cinema Studio 2.0 can take your same characters in a different scenes, which is amazing. This is Higgsfield.ai next level model that is definitely going to change the AI filmmaking industry. Now, as you saw, there are multiple options available over here. Then there's definitely you want to make it 16:9, 21:9, whatever your ratio want to choose. You can go up to high def 1080p, and over here there are journal. Look, I will be sharing the stuff over here. This is amazing. You can keep the whole thing in a simple general theme, or you can make the theme completely action, horror, comedy, western, suspense, whatever you want. And if you want audio, not batch, how many videos you want to generate with a single click, start frame, and end frame. This is amazing. But what I love the most is how Cinema Studio let you change the emotion. So let me show you that. Scared, happy, disgusted. Same character, same scene with different emotion. Only possible with Higgsfield Cinema Studio 2.0. Okay, scared one, happy, disgusted. So, same character but different emotions, only possible with the Cinema Studio 2.0. This is the next level video generation tool, believe me or not. The Cinema Studio 2.0 is not only about changing emotions. There is something really cool that I just show you, that is speed control. So you can control the speed of your scene. So let me show you some amazing videos from that. Just look at this AI speed ramp. Amazing. You just saw how the camera rotates with a slow-mo. That looks amazing. That looks cinematic. And this is only possible with the Cinema Studio 2.0. Wow, amazing, really amazing. How the slow-mo and how it is changing the scene, totally amazing. Just one more video over here. Wow. You just saw the capabilities of Cinema Studio. This is something next level. So Cinema Studio is amazing. Now over here, as you can see, I have 2 videos over here. I use 2 different characters that I just generated through a Cinema Studio image generation. And I use zoom in, movement, and the both characters are talking
Still making
to
things
each
that last?
other.
Someone has to. I just need what you kept. Then you should have come before it started raining. Still making things that...
And in the other scene, I choose another
Captain,
camera movement, as you can
I
see,
kept a lot
and
of
that
things.
looks even more
Not
amazing.
this.
With
Then
these are
don't
both
say
the
its
same
name
characters
in
that
my
I
house.
just literally generated using this Cinema Studio 2.0. So overall, Cinema Studio 2.0 is such a powerful AI video generation filmmaking tool that will completely change how the filmmaking was used to, and now this is something next level. Definitely let me know what are your thoughts about Cinema Studio 2.0. I will be making more stuff regarding Higgsfield.ai because I am loving the tool, and all links are given in the description. And I hope to catch you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. Peace out.